Hi guys, welcome to RSK Training, and today we are going to learn the most, or I would like to tell you the a very important feature or tool of Excel, which is pivot tables. So before I start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so right now, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important updates or any videos that I upload. And before I actually begin this pivot table video, I would like to say that I've in my past videos I've seen that people don't tend to see the entire video. They just go through the beginning, and then they think that they have grasped it all. But I would like to tell you that it's not that. I mean, if you watch it till the end, there are many important things that are covered in the end, and you may not see those in the beginning. So for example, the last video which I uploaded, the Vlookup and Hlookup video, therein people who, I mean, Vlookup is a very important function or important formula in Excel. But so if people don't watch till the end, they may tend to not learn things which are really useful, and they may miss something. So if you watch it till the end, there are many things which I am going to cover, or which I have covered in my earlier videos as well. So watch it till the end.
Let's begin some practical sessions on how to create a table. So now I'm going to explain you a simple form of a pivot table, how to create a pivot table. So I'll select my data, go to the insert tab, and I will create pivot table. So it asks me select table of range. I selected my data earlier, so it simply got it. So where you want to report replaced, a new worksheet or a consisting, I will use consisting worksheet, and the cell number, and click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, a blank pivot table is created for me. I will put the region and rows and the total values and total and values. So this will create a simple pivot table for me. For region, which gives me region wise total sales. Now you see there is a count of total sales which does not give me the actual figure. So if I click on sum of total sales, it will give me the region wise total sales for that item whatever. So I can just click on item as well. I can put it on these columns and it will give me the item wise total sales. Similarly, I can slice and dice it according to what I want. Now coming to some features of pivot table which are not usually taught, but they're very important. Okay, before we move on to that, I will explain you another feature of a pivot table. See, I don't have a totals over here. For the time being. And here you see that as soon as I refresh it, it says there is an error because I had selected this row as well. So I will change my data source. So now I'm not including total in my database. And now when I refresh, or rather I don't need to refresh it, but since there is no total in my data source, so there is no total calculated, but I want a total. So I can go to the source data, I can insert a total tab here, and I can see my pivot table to use this total, or I can simply go to calculated field and put in here totals and calculate the total as units into unit cost. As soon as I click add and OK, the total field is added over here at default. So I don't need this field anymore. My pivot is automatically calculating this total. So this total generally proves useful when we have to calculate something which is not there in your raw source. Okay, now moving on to some other calculations of a pivot table. Say I have a simple pivot table, region-wise total sales. I want the percentage of total sales in the pivot table itself. One way is to calculate it manually, equal totals divided by the total, and it gives me the percentage. But the other way is to calculate it in the pivot itself. For this, what I will do is I will calculate the total again, so it gives sum of total Q. I will go to value field settings, and here I can give here the sales percentage, so which will be show value as, here it is no calculation right now, so I will put percentage of column total, and as soon as I click OK, the sales percentage is calculated. So I've done this for you. Similarly, we have a row total as well. So row wise, what is the total of binder sales across all regions, and this calculates. So it is again the same thing. For total, I will put in show value as percentage of row total. Now the third thing is percentage of grand total. Now there will be a question with everyone. So when we have a percentage of column total, percentage of row total, so why do we need the percentage of grand total? So let me tell you, percentage of row total works this way, percentage of column total works this way. So when I say row total, it will give me the values for binder sales in Alberta across all regions. So the percentage of binder sales in Alberta across all three regions. And when I say column total, it gives me the percentage of binder sales in Alberta region across all sales in Alberta region. But when I say percentage of total, it will give me the percentage of binder sales across the total sales, be it all regions or all items. So this is the difference. So for this, I will again do this value field settings, show value as percentage of grand total. Now there could be scenarios where, say, I don't have this region, I have years. So let me put years here. So there are sales of both the years. Your boss wants you to calculate how many extra sales or how many sales have we grown from 2010, which of course is a normal scenario. So you will subtract the total sales, but you don't need to do that. Pivot will do it for you. So here you see the total sales are there. So I will click in the second pivot, I will go to value field settings and show value as, I will select difference from, and it will calculate the difference from the previous year, which I have selected here. Base value years, base item is previous year. Similarly, I can calculate percentage difference from the previous year to this year. So guys, this was a simple pivot table which I have created and some calculations which I have shown. In my future sessions, I will show you more complicated calculations, and I will also cover how to create a data collection from a pivot table. Right, that's it for now.
Hope you liked my video. If you did, please do click on the like button below, and repeating my stance which I had in the beginning of the video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so right now, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a good day and a great life ahead. See you next time. Bye bye.